Alright, so for our cheesecake, we're going to be using cashew as the base. So I have 1 cup of raw cashew, not salted, not roasted, but raw cashews in a what do you call this now, a pot filled with water, and I'm going to boil it for about 20 to 30 minutes so I can have it soft, so it can be soft, so that way it helps to blend even smoother to make the cheesecake. All right, usually you could soak it overnight and that would get it soft, but you know, I decided to do this today and I don't have all those hours, so here we are, about to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so we are going to continue with our cheesecake, and here are some of the ingredients. So this is the boiled cashew, about 1.5 cups of blueberries. I have my coconut cream here, so I went ahead earlier to blend my coconut, my actual coconut. If you don't have the raw coconut, you can use milk powder, coconut milk powder. You know, just ensure that you use more powder than milk so that it can be rich and creamy. And I have salt that will help to bring everything together, the flavors of the cheesecake together. I have some vanilla, alcohol free, and this is going to be the base. I usually use almonds and walnuts, but I'm just showing you a quick and easy route that you can take. This is a gluten-free, dairy-free crackers or tea biscuit. Yeah, so I'll be using this for the base, and then I also have some butter as well. So, and the food processor. So I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create your cheesecake, your no-bake cheesecake. You're also going silicone muffin tin, or you can use the springform baking tins. Yeah, nothing else will work. Because you want to get it out as best as possible. Or you can opt to buy the pie crust that you can get at the supermarket. You can buy those, and then you can just pour in the filling. All right, so let's get started. So we have our cookie, well, we have the base here, so I'm going to put them on a tray and put them into the fridge to set while I do the filling. I have my blender bowl here, coconut milk here, coconut cream rather. Go ahead and pour this in. It's about 2 cups.
Are these coconuts?
These are my lemon cubes. I juice the lemons and put them in cubes and froze them. So you can use 1 entire lemon or you can use 2 limes, whichever one you have. All right, I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of salt. The salt will help to bring the flavors together. No, Josiah, leave it, please. Leave it. I'm using it to hold up this stand, okay? All right. And I'm going to use about a teaspoon of vanilla. Then I am going to add in the cashew nuts. This is gonna be the base of the cheesecake.
No cheesecake.
One of the most important ingredients.
That's oil?
Yes, it's coconut oil. Here it is. Because this is one of the ingredients that's going to help to bind everything together, because this is a frozen dessert. So
There's down in the one.
just excuse me, please. All right, thank you.
Over cover. Open both please. Open the cover. A mouse. Give me this screen. Give me the cup.
We're gonna blend until very smooth. It is very important to blend until very smooth. So now you can go ahead and add in your frozen blueberries and blend until smooth. Alright, so everything is now poured in my muffin tins, and I still have some batter left. I'm going to use that. So go ahead and just give this a nice shake, or just knock it on the countertop just to free up some of those air bubbles before freezing. So I'm going to go ahead and put these into the freezer overnight to allow them to set properly, and tomorrow morning now I will take them out, and you guys will see the final product. Thanks for watching.